Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Nine of Fire, Page of Water, and Five of Fire. So, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or it may be in your relationship, you may see yourself reevaluating your circumstances. Something is not right, something is not happening as expected. So maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship, you are thinking about the right things to do. You want insight and clarity. Maybe things are going in a very uncertain way and you are questioning yourself, guys. You are taking your circumstances with more caution. So in your work, maybe if you are making important decisions, you are doing it with clarity. You are trying to understand that circumstance and going for that, guys. And maybe with this person in this relationship also, guys, you may see some kind of you may have some kind of doubt or confusion, maybe where this relationship is moving. So you would have shared happy moments with this person. You have a level of understanding with them, but still certain things are not happening as expected. So some kind of uncertainty about your future, about the future of this relationship. But Aquarius, you are someone with open-hearted, childlike, innocent person. So even in this relationship, that may be the reason things are taking a positive turn. Maybe your cheerfulness, your innocent nature, your curious questioning. So that is what makes you more attractive and charming. So this person likes your this side of your character, guys. So they simply love the way you are curious and innocent, feeling wonderful and surprised at whatever they are doing. Maybe you both may have a lot of differences, but whatever it is, your cheerfulness is the reason, your optimistic nature, that is the reason this person loves you. This person adores you for that. So, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship, guys. So, we have Four of Air. So, in this connection, guys, maybe you are you should take this time to rest and feel like a detox. Maybe if you are in the verge of making some important decisions, you must postpone it, guys. Do not make any big decisions today for this relationship. This is the time for a break, you just need to relax, take a deep breath and see where things are going. Just be with this person you love. So that is the energy for your relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we picked one card. So it's 3 of earth. So there are people with you, good people, friendly natured people in your work situation, ready to help you, and you are ready to work with them, and you have a harmonious, balanced relationship in your career situation, guys, Aquarius. And that may be the reason things will go in a positive way in your work situation, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So you're in your relationship, guys. This may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day-to-day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance and to achieve whatever you need to achieve using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.